magic loop, .0 mm crochet hook number, 1 chain, 7 half double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Close the circle, slip stitch in the first stitch, cut the yarn, the center of the eye is done. Seven half double crochet in the magic loop. Now 14 half double crochet in all 7 half double crochet. So start with white color. We have to start 2 half double crochet in every stitch. So in this way we will be having 14 half double crochet in the magic in this 7 half double crochet. So 2 half double crochet in every stitch. Slip stitch in the first stitch, and cut the thread. I'm just giving a knot at the back because that is going to be pasted on the green color. So the center of the eye is ready like this. Now we have to make this back side of the eye, that is in green color. We are just making the match with the base of the mug cover. So let's start making that. Magic loop, 2 chains, and 8 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Close the center and then slip stitch in the first stitch, the center is ready. Now coming towards the second round, we have to arrange the wire. We will add this wire in a round shape, so I will cut it with estimated round. Two chains, two double crochet in every stitch along with the wire. 1, 2. So in this way we will be having 18 double crochet in the second round, but we have to make sure that the wire is going along with the stitches. Two double crochet in every stitch. Slip stitch in the first stitch, cut the thread, now we have to sew after twisting these two wires together. I am going to cut after leaving a very small part at the back. So I will cut a little bit closer. Make sure that the wires are properly twisted with each other, so they are not going to lose their positions. Then just wrap it here. Now we are going to sew the wires at the back with the thread which is already left with the stitches. Just give few of the stitches at the back with the wire, so it's going to be perfectly hid at the back. The back of the round is ready. Now we are going to paste these all together with the help of our hot glue gun. These are the eyes of the frog. Now let's start making the smile of the mug cover, frog mug cover. So we have to start from under one of the eye after pasting the eyes. You have seen that I have pasted my eyes at one corner, not in the center, because this corner is going to be at the front of the mug. Now start making the smile. We are going to hold our yarn at the back and take the loops from above the mat, the cover. Carefully start taking your loops from the back and hold your yarn carefully at the back as well. After completing all the steps, you can see that I have just cut out all the excessive threads from the back, and our smile is also ready from the front side. Now let's check out while putting it on the mug. You can see the eyes are going to be on the front side. So you have to be careful whenever you are pasting anything on your mug so it can be visible from the front side. The loops are easy to make, and you have seen in one of my videos that how I have created the loops. This is easy and perfectly beautiful blended frog mug cover for anyone who wants to make. I hope you have learned enough from this video that you can create this beautiful eyes of mug cover and a smile. Thank you for watching, and keep subscribing, keep liking my work. I will bring something new for you so you can learn more. Till the next time, bye.